Now you know the drill by now. We can close down any extra tabs that we don't need. So I'm going to close down the services page and the about page, which just is still open. I've got the home page, which I'm going to keep because I'm going to nab this contact form in a minute. And we're at the dashboard on this one. So let's go along to dashboard. Center thyself. That's great. And we're going to go to pages, all pages, and we've got the contact form. Remember, we've not yet used Elementor, so we're going to click edit and then edit with Elementor. So sorted. And while that's loading, I'm going to click to this other page and take this section, click back to the page, and we're ready to go. So click, paste, we've got our contact form. That's fantastic. Now this contact form was styled to bring that column back in the margin. So let me show you that. So back 20 pixels. We could fix that, we just delete this, but I do want to use that still. So I'm going to add a section, and it will be just a single column section, and we'll make it full width as standard, but I want to actually keep it nice and white and bring in a minimum height. And so we can see that looks really quite nice. Have questions or would like to book, so something like that, but this will serve for now. And obviously this contact form links to the contact form that was set up in the dashboard, so it's all functional. Okay, so we'd like a simple heading here, just simple and easy. It doesn't have to be complicated. And so I'm going to steal this here, copy and paste, and I can delete this one. Let's just edit our heading. I look forward to hearing from you. And a little bit of text. There we go. We're going to bring that in a little bit. Looks a bit nicer. 740, and delete that button. We don't need that. And that's really nice and simple. I'm going to center it again. I've gone all blank. I need to click on the icons. There we go. Okay, that's very nice, and update that, and let's preview that page. Okay, so somebody clicks along to the contact page, and I look forward to hearing from you. There we go. That looks really quite nice. If you'd like to pretty it up with a few pictures, obviously you can change the background, you can add an image here or there. So an image here might look quite nice, and I look forward to hearing from you. It would give it a bit of a theme. And again, obviously it's easy to do, so just add a column, add an image or a slideshow, something like that. Fling it over so we have a bit of movement here, and that would be just as well. And then I would say left align these. That's quite nice, but I'm going to delete that. I just wanted to show you options as always, and that's looking pretty nice. Okay, so we've created our last page. We need to quickly take care of terms and conditions and privacy policy, but in terms of page creation that warrants a lot of design, we've taken care of that. We do need to do a bit of housekeeping, which is making sure every button goes somewhere, making sure the contact form sends, and taking care of the mobile responsive parts of the website. So we will take care of that, but next we're going to just turn a bit of attention to the heading.
Hey there, it's Chris here. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe and share and comment if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next course of video.